The term Colugo typically refers to the flying lemurs, which are arboreal mammals found in Southeast Asia. There are two species of Colugo, the Sunda Colugo and the Philippine Colugo. Despite their name, Colugo are not true lemurs and are more closely related to primates. Colugo face threats from habitat loss due to deforestation, logging, and agricultural expansion. While they are not currently classified as endangered, their populations are decreasing, and conservation efforts are essential to ensure their long-term survival. Colugo, or flying lemurs, are native to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. They are found in several countries within the region, including Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and the Philippines. They are primarily arboreal creatures, meaning they live in trees. They inhabit the dense, lush canopies of tropical rainforests, where they are well adapted to the complex and vertically oriented environment. Colugo, or flying lemurs, are native to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. They are found in several countries within the region, including Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, and the Philippines. They are primarily arboreal creatures, meaning they live in trees. They inhabit the dense, lush canopies of tropical rainforests, where they are well adapted to the complex and vertically oriented environment. Colugo are well suited to a vertical lifestyle, using their gliding ability to move between trees. They are often associated with primary and secondary rainforests, where they can find an abundance of food and suitable trees for gliding. Colugo are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. This behavior helps them avoid predators and take advantage of the darkness to move through the forest canopy. The fur of the Sunda Colugo is typically a mix of gray, brown, and cream colors. The patagium, or gliding membrane, is often a pale color, allowing them to blend in with the surrounding foliage. The coloration provides them with camouflage in their forested habitats, helping them avoid predators and navigate through the trees. The fur of the Philippine Colugo can range from grayish-brown to reddish-brown. Similar to the Sunda Colugo, the patagium is often a lighter color, aiding in camouflage. They may exhibit some variation in coloration based on their specific habitat within the Philippines. The fur of the Philippine Colugo can range from grayish-brown to reddish-brown. Similar to the Sunda Colugo, the patagium is often a lighter color, aiding in camouflage. They may exhibit some variation in coloration based on their specific habitat within the Philippines. Colugo have relatively long and slender limbs, which contribute to their agility in the trees. Their fingers and toes are webbed and have claws that assist in grasping tree branches. Colugo have relatively long and slender limbs, which contribute to their agility in the trees. Their fingers and toes are webbed and have claws that assist in grasping tree branches. Colugo have large, forward-facing eyes, which aid in navigating through the dimly lit forest canopy. Their facial features are adapted to their herbivorous diet, with specialized teeth for cutting and grinding plant material. Colugo typically have a head-body length ranging from about 35 to 43 centimeters. The weight of Colugo varies, but they generally weigh between 1 to 2 kilograms. Their relatively lightweight and compact bodies are well suited for an arboreal lifestyle, enabling them to move easily through the forest canopy and glide over significant distances between trees. One of the most distinctive features of Colugo is their ability to glide. They have a large patagium, or gliding membrane, that stretches between their limbs, toes, and tail. This membrane allows them to glide between trees, covering distances of up to 61 meters in a single glide. Colugo are exceptional gliders and use this adaptation for efficient travel and to avoid predators. While Colugo are often referred to as flying lemurs, it's important to note that they don't actually fly in the way birds or bats do. Instead, Colugo are accomplished gliders. While they cannot sustain true flight or generate lift independently, their gliding adaptations make them highly efficient and agile in moving through the forest canopy. This unique mode of locomotion helps them access distant feeding sites, avoid predators, and navigate the complex three-dimensional environment of the treetops. Despite being called flying lemurs, Colugo are not true lemurs. They belong to the order Dermoptera, which is a separate group of mammals. True lemurs belong to the order Primates. The name flying lemur is somewhat misleading, as Colugo are not lemurs and are more closely related to primates than to true lemurs. Colugo have specialized teeth adapted to their herbivorous diet. Their dentition includes sharp incisors for cutting vegetation and molars for grinding plant material. This dental structure is distinct from other tree-dwelling mammals and contributes to their ability to feed on a variety of plant parts. Colugo are known for their limited vocalizations. They produce soft, high-pitched calls that are not easily heard by humans. Their communication methods are not as elaborate or vocal as some other mammals. Colugo feed on a variety of leaves from the trees in their habitat. They are known to consume young leaves, shoots, and other green vegetation found in the forest canopy. They may also include flowers in their diet. Flowers can provide additional nutrients and are another source of plant material in their diet. Fruits are a part of the Colugo's diet, contributing to their overall nutrition. They may feed on a variety of fruits available in the forest canopy. In addition to leaves and fruits, Colugo are known to consume bark and sap. They may scrape bark from tree branches and feed on the nutrient-rich sap, supplementing their diet with these sources. Colugo are believed to form monogamous pairs during the breeding season. Males and females come together for mating, and these pairs engage in mutual grooming and other social behaviors. Colugo typically have a seasonal breeding pattern. The exact timing can vary, but mating activity is often associated with specific times of the year. The breeding season may be influenced by factors such as climate and food availability. The gestation period for Colugo is approximately 60 days. After mating, the female carries the developing embryo for this period before giving birth. Female Colugo typically give birth to a single offspring, although there have been rare instances of twins. The young are relatively undeveloped at birth and are in a premature state compared to some other mammals. Female Colugo typically give birth to a single offspring, although there have been rare instances of twins. The young are relatively undeveloped at birth and are in a premature state compared to some other mammals. Female Colugo play a significant role in caring for their young. They nurse and protect the offspring, carrying them in the pouch-like skin fold. The young Colugo remains dependent on its mother for care and nourishment as it continues to grow and develop. Colugo offspring have a slow rate of maturation compared to some other mammals. The extended period of maternal care and development helps ensure the young Colugo is better prepared for an independent life in the forest canopy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.